Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the replay buffer so OBS holds recent footage in RAM and disk cache. This is what lets you save moments after they happen. Open Settings, go to Output, toggle replay buffer on, and set a sensible maximum time. 20 to 120 seconds is common. Make sure you select a fast recording drive and adjust bitrate if necessary. Once done, hit Apply and you're ready to start the buffer before recording or streaming. Now you must start the replay buffer each session, otherwise nothing is saved. Click Start Replay Buffer or set OBS to start with the stream/recording and assign a dedicated hotkey like F9 for Save Replay so you can capture instantly. Adjust hotkeys under Settings Hotkeys, then Practice. Play for a minute, hit the Save key, and verify the file appears in your recording path. If it doesn't, check permissions and that OBS has write access to the drive. Finally, when something worth saving happens, press your Save Replay hotkey and OBS writes the buffered segment to disk as a file you can edit. You'll then import that file into your editor to trim, add markers, or compress. Keep the original until you're satisfied. If replay doesn't save, check the obvious, available disk space that replay buffer was running, and no other app uses the same hotkey. If necessary, restart OBS after fixing conflicts and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.